Shrimp and grits is very well known in the state of Georgia. Growing up, we had grits in our house all the time, mainly for breakfast. Hi, I'm Carey Fagan. I'm from the state of Georgia, from a town called Macon. The shrimp and grits recipe really probably originated from the east coast of Georgia along the coastline where all the fishing boats come in. As a kid, I loved shrimp. We would go on vacation on the coastline of Georgia where you get a lot of shrimp. The grits, I know, came from the Native American Indians. They all started with using corn like hominy, and they would grind it, and it basically is the same consistency as grits. Growing up, everybody in the South ate grits, and especially in Georgia, nobody had breakfast unless there were grits to go along with eggs and bacon and all the other accompaniments. I think over the years, shrimp and grits have become even more popular, and most any restaurant you go to, you'll see shrimp and grits on the menu.
Hi, Carey!
Hello, Maureen. How are you? We're having shrimp and grits. It's a great recipe from the state of Georgia, where I'm from in the U.S. So, do you know what grits are?
No idea. Is it made of corn?
Good guess. It is made of corn. So, ground corn. So it's ground up. These are not instant. These are stone ground from an old mill that still operates up in the northern part of the state in Georgia. So called sautee. So they're much better. They're coarser when they grind them up, and I think they actually taste better too.
And I can't wait to try it.
You really have to mix it around. You need to get like the flavors, because grits are, like I said, even with cheese in them, they aren't going to be real strong because it's like a corn. But if you mix it, it's the mixture of, I think, which makes it taste better.
You know, this is very similar to a local Singaporean dish, like a porridge congee that we have.
Okay, that's what I thought. I don't know. I mean, I've seen congee. I haven't actually tried it, and I don't know if I want to try it or not because I'd have to see what flavors you put in it.
For Cantonese congee, they usually go with pork or sometimes seafood, depending. And for the Teochew one, you go with all your side dishes. So this one can pair very well, yeah, with congee.
So this is Georgia congee then.
Yeah.